hard drive bay. HDD caddy. This is the part of a laptop that holds and secures that hard drive HDD or 2.5-inch SATA SSD in place and connects it to the motherboard. And next is a laptop cooling fan. A laptop cooling fan is an internal component that circulates air to remove heat from the laptop, preventing overheating and maintaining proper performance. Next is the motherboard. The motherboard is the main circuit board that connects and allows all computer components to communicate and receive power. Next, SSD solid-state drive, a fast storage device that stores a computer, data, files, and operating system. And the last is laptop battery. A laptop battery is a rechargeable power source that supplies electricity to laptop, allowing it to run without being plugged into an outlet. So yun lamang po, then